In today's fast-paced world, productivity is a highly sought-after skill. To get results, we often focus on what we need to do. A to-do list helps of cause. But what about what we shouldn't do? The not-to-do list is a powerful productivity tool that identifies and eliminates time-wasting activities and distractions. By creating a not-to-do list, along with a to-do list, you gain clarity on tasks that don't contribute to your goals or drain your energy. It helps you prioritize and stay focused on what is truly important, preventing distraction and spreading yourself too thin. Instead of mindlessly checking social media or engaging in unproductive habits, you consciously choose to say no to listed activities. The not-to-do list method frees up valuable time and mental space, allowing you to focus your energy on really important tasks. Being a kind of traffic light, it helps you resist the temptation to multitask and avoid unnecessary rework. With a clear understanding of what to avoid, signaled by not-to-do red light, you can maintain a healthy work-life balance and prevent burnout. In fact, a not-to-do list helps you to accomplish tasks from your to-do list. That's simple. To use the not-to-do list method effectively, begin by identifying tasks that do not align with your priorities or contribute to your long-term goals. Be honest with yourself about habits that consume your time and energy, even if they were once your favorite and liked. Make a list of them and commit to avoiding them. To stay on track, review and update your list on a regular basis. Remember, being productive isn't just about doing more, it's about doing the right things. Please, give us your comment in which areas you implemented successfully.